Hi, this is John Carney, Product Engineer at Cadence. This video is going to cover how easy it is to bring in data like 3D models, cross-sections, or library parts into your OrCAD design. To start, let's look at Samtec's website, where they have a very powerful and easy-to-use solution to find the right connectors for your design. From their 3D models resource page, you can pick your product or connector. This will then give you a tool where you can configure and refine your connector requirements. Once you do this, you can preview the 3D model and the 2D footprint model provided by our partner SnapMagic. You can then configure your model download choices to indicate you want a Cadence OrCAD Allegro model and also a 3D step model. Once you download the models, you can open the PCB footprint in OrCAD X Presto, and from the 3D view, you can associate and map the 3D model to the footprint. OrCAD X gives you automated and manual methods to align the 3D model to the PCB footprint. Changing gears to cross-section, SpeedStack by Polar is one of the industry's most popular tools for designing a PCB stackup. You can export a stackup from Polar using IPC 2581 standard and then import that into OrCAD X. In OrCAD X layout, open the cross-section editor, then import the IPC 2581 files you created with Polar. All of the layers, materials, thicknesses, etc. will be imported, which is much more efficient and less error-prone than building it manually. Last but not least, you can access millions of components with schematic symbols, PCB footprints, and 3D models using the integrated connections to SnapMagic, UltraLibrarian, and Symantec. You can do free-form Google-like search for any vendor name or part parameter to search across all providers. Once you zero in on the results, you can see which parts have symbols, footprints, 3D models, and datasheets. Many components from UltraLibrarian also give you pricing insight from DigiKey. Once you find the part you want, you can select the part and download the data into a library for use in future designs. This lets you provide your own company part number, life cycle, categories, etc. Or you can download the part and place it directly into the design you're working on. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.